We interrupt this program to bring you Courage, the Cowardly Dog Show! Starring Courage, the Cowardly Dog! Abandoned as a pup, he was found by Muriel, who lives in the middle of nowhere with her husband, Eustace Bag! But creepy stuff happens in nowhere. It's up to Courage to save his new home!
Stupid dog! You made me look bad! Yes. Now this is a body.
It's amazing! The dog came flying out of the power plant! What a show! How did it feel? Me-Muriel, how did you ever come up with this outstanding stunt? Not only does Me-Muriel have buttons of steel, but she also has a heart of gold!
Oh! Stupid mega woman picking up a stupid dog?
Don't worry, dog. I'm done being human. It's boring.
Who's that? Huh? I'm hungry.
You flesh creatures are dull. Dull, dull, dull.
Oh.
You can have your Muriel back.
Ah, Courage, your memoirs are extraordinary. So entertaining. But how does it end? And they all lived happily ever after. Courage, that's lovely. You're such a good writer.
Blah, blah, blah. How stupid!